Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to use a videotape filter on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect gives your video a warm tone and it is aesthetically pleasing. It also shows an overlay of a videotape recording with the time and date. The video ratio aspect of the recording changes to 4:3. This is similar filter like the vintage filter, but it does not have the old vintage look. So let me show you how to find and use this filter. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover and search for videotape. It should appear under effect and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this filter. The effect will start right away. Position yourself so you're in the frame as it crops the top and the bottom out. As you can see, it underexposes your video and gives it a warm color temperature. Now record your video and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to use the videotape filter on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.